Assurity Disability Insurance. Quote, Assurity Disability Insurance provides financial protection by replacing a portion of your income if you become unable to work due to illness or injury. Getting a quote for Assurity Disability Insurance helps you understand the cost and coverage options available based on your occupation, income, and health status. 1. What is an Assurity Disability Insurance quote? An Assurity Disability Insurance quote is an estimated cost of coverage tailored to your income and risk level. It helps policyholders determine how much they need to pay for income protection in case of disability. 2. Factors that affect your quote. Your quote depends on several factors, including your occupation, age, health condition, income level, and the waiting period before benefits begin. Riskier jobs or pre-existing conditions may result in higher premiums. Third, types of disability insurance offered by Assurity. Assurity offers both short-term and long-term disability insurance. Short-term policies provide benefits for temporary disabilities, while long-term coverage supports individuals with prolonged or permanent disabilities. 4. How to get an Assurity Disability Insurance quote. Step 1. Visit the Assurity website or contact an insurance agent. Step 2. Provide personal details such as age, occupation, and income. Step 3. Choose your preferred benefit amount, waiting period, and benefit duration. Step 4. Review the estimated premium and compare options before applying. 5. Customizing your coverage. Assurity allows policyholders to customize their disability coverage by adding riders such as cost of living adjustments, residual benefits, or own occupation coverage to enhance protection. 6. Benefits of Assurity Disability Insurance. Assurity's policies provide financial stability by covering essential expenses during a period of disability. The benefits can be used for mortgage payments, medical bills, and daily living costs. 7. Understanding the claims process. Filing a claim with Assurity involves submitting medical records, proof of income, and other required documentation. Once approved, benefits are paid based on the policy's terms. 8. Comparing Assurity quotes with other providers. Before finalizing a policy, comparing Assurity's disability insurance quotes with other providers ensures you get the best coverage for your needs at the most competitive price. Protect your income and secure your financial future with the right disability insurance plan. To see the best offers on Assurity Disability Insurance today, click on the link in the description below.